Okay, hi everyone. I wanted to give you a little tutorial on windy.com so you can predict the weather where you are and get the most accurate information up to date. So a little tutorial on how to navigate the website. So let's go ahead and share my screen and we'll navigate over to, there's the New York Times. We'll navigate over to windy.com and we'll focus on the northeastern US because there is an approaching hurricane. So what you see right now is the winds, the wind speed. Okay, and so the hot colors are high wind speeds and the cool colors are low wind speeds. And these vectors show you the direction of the wind. Okay, so that's what's happening right now according to the models. And this covers the entire globe. You can go anywhere you want on the whole Earth. Um, and there's different ways to get the forecast. So I want to show you the most detailed forecast that's available. And this is only good for a couple of days, but it's highly accurate. So you want to come down here and click on NAM. Okay, it's called a mesoscale model. Okay, as opposed to a synoptic scale model. And you can see the spatial domain is smaller. It only covers the United States. So we're going to zoom in, and that's the hurricane right there. And we're going to track its progress starting Friday at 9 p.m. the Pacific time. And by hitting this play button, we can see its path. Okay. And so the spatial resolution on this is like 4 kilometers or 12 kilometers. It resolves an area that of that size. And so this is a pretty potent storm. And it's headed up.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so it looks like it's coming from the straight south. And so you can see the winds are going to start out being northeast. And then as that eye approaches, it looks like it's going to be pretty intensified. Now, this is the latest forecast, and it looks like it's curving a little bit, and it's going to strike Long Island and Connecticut straight on. So perhaps Boston will avoid a direct hit. But these forecasts change. Okay, so you can see this is Sunday, 6 p.m. So as time moves forward, you want to be checking and Saturday night and see what the latest track is. And this will give you a very detailed picture. The NAM is very useful for that. Now, of course, it ends at Sunday. So if you want to see what the weather is going to be like for the next 10 days, then you want to go to either the ECMWF or the GFS models. If you click on the ECMWF, then you can see the timeline extends all the way out until for 10 days. So you can keep going if you wish. Okay. So that's probably the most important 2 things to look at on windy.com, but there's many other layers that you can check as well. You can look at the forecast rainfall amounts where the hot colors are going to be a lot of rain. You can see what the temperature is going to be. Of course, you want to get back to the NAM model because that's going to give you the most detailed resolution. Okay, and the icon model is sort of a blend between the NAM and the ECMWF. It only goes out 5 days, but it does give you better resolution than the ECMWF. Here in California, we're really interested in air quality, so I've been looking at the aerosol forecast. You guys are looking pretty good out there in the Northeast, but as you know, with the wildfires, we had a fairly smoky day here. And of course, in Northern California, you can see it is pretty bad right there. Okay, so good luck with this. There's a ton of stuff to look at. If you want to zoom in, you just hit the plus. If you want to zoom out, you hit the negative. And it's just there's just so much on here. In fact, you can look at the weather for anywhere in the world. It was really kind of cool. Okay, take care, everybody. Bye.